Assalamualaikum dear students, I welcome you to mathematics class of today. Today I am here to explain BODMAS rule for you. Before everything, we'll go towards our objectives of today's class. Our objectives are: what is BODMAS rule, how to use BODMAS rule, there will be examples with your explanations, and there will be a short conclusion in the end of the class. Here is a short explanation of BODMAS rule. Obviously here B represents brackets, O represents of, D represents divide, M represents multiply, A represents addition, and S represents subtraction. Before this we have done BODMAS rule, just this much, in which we used to do division, then multiplication, then addition or subtraction through left to right rule. But now there is an increment, there is an addition in it of B and O. This B and O means that now first of all you will have to solve brackets, then afterwards you will go through the operations. You won't think that inside the bracket if there is addition or subtraction as well. First of all you have to solve the bracket ones, inside the bracket ones, whatever value is there. Okay, let's move towards next slide. Okay, question is here: what is BODMAS rule? It is a short form of brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, which I have described already through the diagram of BODMAS rule. Coming towards an example, question is here 23 plus 10, but inside the bracket, minus 2 multiplied by 5 minus 10 divided by 2. Here we used to search first of all division. Here also we have division, that is 10 divided by 2. But we won't go through division now, as we are doing the BODMAS rule. So BODMAS rule says first of all solve the bracket. However, in bracket is addition, but first of all we have to go through bracket, then afterwards we'll come to the BODMAS rule. When bracket will vanish, then we'll come towards BODMAS rule. Let's solve this. When I add 10 and 23, so I get 33 obviously. 33 minus 2 multiplied by 5 minus 10 divided by 2, as it is. Okay, now we are left with only operations. There is no bracket in our second step or first step of solution. Now we will search for division when we have no brackets over here. So when I divide 10 by 2, I get 5 obviously. So 33 minus 2 into 5 minus 10 divided by 2 was equal to 5, because 2 5's make 10. Okay, now we are here with multiplication. So 33 minus 2 5's make 10 minus 5. Okay, in next step, now you have to subtract 10 from 33, which will become 23. So our next step will be 23 minus 5, and 23 minus 5 will result in 18. This is the method through which the BODMAS rule is solved. That is just like we have done before, but there is an increase that is just of bracket. First of all, solve bracket, then afterwards use same BODMAS rule that you have done in question number 1 of the exercise. Our next example is over here. Suppose if we have two brackets in a question, then what should we do? As 2 plus 3, let's make a simple question. Minus 10 divided by 5. Okay, now I have two brackets. It means that I can solve these two brackets in the same step. As let's go to our solution. In first bracket I have 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3, sum of 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 minus 10 divided by 5. How many 5s make 10? 2 5 make 10. So 5 2's are 10. Now subtracting 2 from 5, I get 3. 3 is my final answer. So this was all about how we use the BODMAS rule in our questions or in our daily life as well. We can say that for every calculation BODMAS rule is also useful. If you don't follow the BODMAS rules, the restrictions, you will get the wrong answer. So that's must following these rules to get the correct answer of your question every time. So dear students, this was all about our today's topic. As we did the BODMAS rule, BODMAS rule said that first of all bracket of then DMAS, I mean D for D was showing the division, M was showing multiplication, then addition, then subtraction comes in every question. So you have to follow this rule of BODMAS rule in your coming homework so that you get the correct answers. So students, wish you good luck for your homework.